Well. Welcome back to another day. Very good morning, guys. What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. You know what? Today, finally, we are going to get the street triple repaired. Srujan is already out. He'll be joining me on the motor vlog till Dynamic Riders. That's where we're gonna get the chain and sprocket fixed on it. The people who are not aware, Shraddha's paintings, you can actually purchase them via you can message Shraddha on her Instagram link. I'll put it in the description below so you can get paintings like that for yourself. So yes, chalo, it's time for me to go have lunch. Yes, one small change I need to do. I need to put the dual seat on the Thruxton just in case Srujan's street triple is not ready by the end of the day. So yes, Srujan is actually late. He was supposed to reach Dynamic Riders at 3. It's 3 o'clock now. I was waiting for him. I had my lunch and then I was waiting for him for quite a while actually. He got stuck at his work. He's on his way apparently, but from where he is currently located, it's going to take him about 15 minutes. And the funny part was, Srujan, obviously, as you guys know, he's taken the street triple in the morning and he went. Apparently his bike stopped somewhere in the middle of the road in the morning. And it showed a battery fault because obviously the bikes have not been started and not being used as much. And this actually proves that we actually need something called as a trickle charger. It is very useful, something we don't have. We have 4 bikes at home. It gets difficult to manage all those many vehicles without using them because of the current situation. So a trickle charger will actually help. So we need to plan and purchase something of that sort in the near future, because we've got a power socket and all those in the garage. So that won't be a problem. Maybe once in a month or something, just put the battery on for charge for about a few hours a day. That'll maintain the good health of the battery as well. And yes, he had to basically push his bike to start in the morning, and he had to go through all that nonsense. Like with this exhaust, oh boy, it is the sweetest thing to listen. It's not extremely loud. It's got a really deep thump to it. Like you can actually feel that in your body when you're actually somewhere around the bike and standing. The microphones cannot do even 10% justice to this kind of a sound. So the only way to hear or feel this bike is actually to be around it when somebody is riding it. I just hope Srujan is here. I don't want him to be late yet. Bugger has got a habit of being late. Nope, I don't see that bugger here. So as expected, Srujan is late.
Finally, this is good. So we are also checking the engine oil as well. So there's some problem with the nut or gasket or no idea. We're just getting it checked. Let's see what's going to happen. मर गया ना पूरा चेन?
2 बार मर गया हम.
2 बार मरा. तो 33,000 के बाद फर्स्ट टाइम चेंज कर रहा हूँ. स्टॉक चेन है ये.
वो इसलिए बोला ना 2 बार मर गया.
You see this oily? It's not going to be. It is actually leaking somewhere from this part, dripping down there, and those were the constant oil drips which we're seeing on the garage floor. So probably we can arrest that now. So that's the old chain. Look at the color on that. Obviously there's a lot of dirt and grease on it, and that's the new one. So I went on a small test ride and I felt so I thought the chain was a bit tight, and that's because I already spoke to the technician. He said that that's because this chain is very new. It will be tight for the first few kilometers, 50 to 100 kilometers, then it will automatically get loose. So let's see what will happen. Oil leakage issue has also been addressed. What was the problem with it? So they changed it. So now we are just giving it a small wash, and that is actually just to check whether there's any other leak which is happening on the bike or not. So if there is nothing, the bike is in perfect condition. So everything has been set. Time is 5:15 in the afternoon. The lockdown starts at 6 o'clock, and we have to be home in 45 minutes. And looking at the amount of traffic, woohoo! It's going to be a tough job reaching home in 45 minutes. इसको देख वहाँ से एको नमस्ते ना इसको देख पद्मशाली yo bro how many super bikes we ride that bike that Truxton that's the only way to describe it. I've lost I don't say I've lost, but I'm starting to lose interest in riding this bike. Madam, brake అనేది ఒకటి ఉంటుంది రప్ప దిక్కుతుంది. The bike is in a very good condition right now, so we will get the repainting done on the quarterback panels because of all the trips which I did on this bike, the paint actually came off. The paint is actually faded off a bit. So we'll get that thing done as well, and probably I'm going to make few breakfast rides, छोटे-मोटे city rides on the triple. If I'm happy, if I'm satisfied, I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep it. We've got 5 minutes. Time is 5:55 and we are stuck in this Trimalgiri traffic. We are crawling our way inch by inch by inch. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to end my motovlog here. I just want to go on a trip, breakfast ride, everything. मैं अफ्रीका रहता था ऐसा खुद के उसके ऊपर से लेके जाता था. Go slowly. Pretty sure Rochi is already judging me. Okay. Hey, he's not judging me क्योंकि वो भी आया मेरे पीछे. So on our way back, I mean after crossing the military section, I mean we stopped in between, and the final stretch Rohit
We exchanged the bikes.
Yeah, Rohit rode the street triple.
So my finding is street triple is back. Its power is back. I can feel the amazing rawness of that bike. Only thing which I felt was the
Clutch was a bit heavy.
Yeah,
I
on the
felt
heavier
that too.
side. Other than that, bike is in great condition. Even the clutch, I think, should become fine. Maybe that's because the chain is really tight or something. I don't know the reason for that.
I said probably after first few couple of 100 kilometers
it should be
up.
perfect. Bike is in great order. The oil leak is gone.
Yes, and I don't know how many guys know this, but most of the classic bikes, the chain is actually on the right, and for all the nakeds and the adventure tourers, the chain is on the left. Notice that anytime you see, for example, see a Royal Enfield Classic 350 or the Interceptor 650s or the Javas, check those and check your FZs, KTMs or Street Triple in that aspect. The chains are on the opposite end. I guess it's only for the aesthetical purpose. They don't really mean anything. But yeah, I don't know how many of you guys know this. And by saying this, I want to say peace out and end the vlog. But Rohit has something to say, which I'm going to run and he's going to say and he's going to show, and I'm not going to edit and look that part of the video.
So yes, again, there was a very beautiful snake which had come in yesterday. For those who are the faint of heart like Srujan, who hates snakes, I would say bye bye to you guys now. But this is going to be a sighting of a cobra which had come in. It's going to be a completely unedited part. It was shot on my phone, and please watch it. Look at the beauty of the snake, and this particular snake. Okay, the sounds which you're going to, the hisses which you're going to hear from the snake are not after effects. They're actually the sound which the snake made, and this snake could be actually heard from almost 20 feet away.
What? Perfect.
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a big one.
Yes, it is big.
Oh.
It's a big one, huh?
It's a sunky one.
Oh, you can hear it.
Look at the noise making. Huh?
Acha, you're vlogging?
It's angry.
So angry.
Yeah, it is a psycho.
Hmm.
It will play with me for some time now.
Huh?
It will play for some time.
Be careful.
This is ferocious.
Yes, correct. That was the word I was looking for.
Wow.
Look at that. Big nose. Wow.
Yeah.
That's actually very beautiful. Take the kids away, no?
Be careful, careful with the
Take
kids.
the kids away.
Ikku. It's very angry.
Yep. And it is fast.
Yes. It's just jeez. God. It's not all that small, you know.
Take that dog away. Could you shoo that dog away, please?
Usko.
How did you spot it?
We saw him the other day also,
Oh.
2 days back, and then he disappeared. Today these dogs were barking, na?
Oh, acha, acha, acha.
We came out and saw. Shit, man.
Yeah, there is a difference with venomous and non-venomous.
Yeah.
The previous one was like 1 minute work.
It's come out, it's come out.
Oh, it's sneaky.
Careful, careful, man.
Oh, it's come out, it's come out. You need more light?
No, this is fine. It's just, it knows what I'm up to.
I've never seen anything like this one.
Or you need a bigger bottle or something?
This should do it. It just knows that it should not go back. It should not go in front.
Oh my god. And the bottle is too small?
No,
It's
it is
okay?
perfect. No, totally fine.
You need a cap? Yeah. You guys should wear some gloves or something.
No, actually, there's no disease that can be transmitted through a snake, for now at least. But other than that, there are chances of infection if we have cuts on our hand, that's it.
No, just in case of a misfire, no? There's-
Misfire. These fangs can get into boots also, so sometimes we lose our grip with the gloves.
Okay. Oh man.
Jeez.
Could I get a pen or something to make some holes?
ओए कुछ पेन ले क्या कुछ या कुछ शार्प चीज
Nail should do.
कीला जैसा कुछ ना
Or safety pin also.
सेफ्टी पिन
Safety pin.
समथिंग शार्प नहीं काट पा रहे
अगर हमें पैर लग गया तो मान
लग गया तो तुम्हारी
You can actually hear it hiss.
You made some more holes, no?
No.